Dear children, teachers and parents, when I marked the beginning of the school year with the change of name from junior to preparatory school, I shared my pride about the students' accomplishments and our talented staff. I also explained how the change of name reflects our unwavering focus on the unique characteristics of academic ambition, individual pathways, and success and value. However, adversity often brings out the best in people, and that could not be truer when I reflect on the teamwork, commitment, and compassion shown by the nursery and preparatory school staff in recent months. I'm immensely proud of how we have adapted to the changing circumstances, going full circle, from classroom delivery to remote lessons via Skype, evolving into the hybrid model that has characterised the end of term. I feel both humbled and privileged by the maturity and tenacity shown by our pupils and indebted to parents for their support and collaboration, enabling us to deliver the very best education despite challenging circumstances. Even in the darkest days, our students shine bright. Academically, we take great care to educate every child individually with our outstanding classroom teachers, 9 specialist teachers and raising attainment teacher. The children have worked very hard this year and produced excellent results. I am very proud to read their reports. We opened the prep school library this year with over 4,000 books catalogued, and our students made the National Story Slam finals and the 500 words competition finals. My thanks go to Mr. Rice, English coordinator, and parents Dr. Dunco and Mrs. Shakespeare for their sustained effort to open our library. A child's pathway is enhanced by their individual journey through our 52 clubs per week. These include many sporting and creative clubs. We have had outstanding results this year in sport, music and art. Success in hockey includes under-11 girls hockey, Lancashire champions, North West champions and North of England finalists. The finals were cancelled. Association of Independent Junior Schools, or AGIS, champions, and Russell Invitation Tournament winners 2020. 4 players were selected for Lancashire hockey at under-12 level. We also achieved the titles of under-11 boys hockey, Lancashire runners-up, North of England finalists, the finals were cancelled, and Aegis hockey plate winners 2020. In netball, we became Lytham St Anne's League 2020 champions, where the A and B teams were unbeaten. We also successfully organised an under-11 boys and girls tour to Manchester. We have had many sporting successes in rugby, girls and boys football, and individually in gymnastics. Sporting achievements in athletics include Aegis Athletics Festival finalists and record breakers and Lancashire County finalists 2020. Mr. Thomas launched his 80-piece prep orchestra at the autumn concert, accompanied by his award-winning Blackburn and Darwin brass band. We also took part in Blackburn's Big Sing concert, and I was so proud of the children's performance. We entered the Seasiders Art Competition and Lytham Heritage Art Competition this year and gained superb accolades for the children who entered. We also gained 100% distinction in our Spring Lambda exams this year. We genuinely value the children's ideas, and they organised our 6 round square committees this year, namely internationalism, democracy, environmentalism, adventure, leadership and service. Focusing on current events, the Democracy Committee organised a mock election, and the Service Committee, linked with the Student Council, organised events to raise money for the Macmillan Fund and Edward D Foundation this year. It has been a very testing year for some of the children, and I'm so proud of how they have dealt with very mature experiences and emotions for their age. They have relied on each other, shown great compassion towards each other, and developed their self-awareness. They have demonstrated courage, tenacity, teamwork, and improved their communication skills. and we have all improved our ability to solve problems. I wish Year 6 all the best for their transition to senior school. Finally, I would like to thank you all, teachers, children and parents, for your support and contributions this year. You are the beating heart of AKS. I wish you all a safe and restful summer. Thank you. I would like to introduce the AKS Prep School Virtual Choir singing AKS is the Best.
AKS is the best. We always try hard to pass the test. AKS is the best. And there's music and sport and we always progress. AKS is the best. We always try hard to smartly dress. AKS is the best. The teachers are guiding us all to success. We're learning and building and shaping our future. Keep trying to learn something new every day. Our pencils are sharpened, a smile on our face. Come join us, we're ready to go. AKS is so great. We never forget to sit up straight. AKS is so great. There's drama, there's English, we love to create. AKS is so great. We never forget to help a mate. AKS is so great. The food is so good, we've got lots on our plate. We're learning and building and shaping our future. Keep trying to learn something new every day. Our pencils are sharpened, a smile on our face. Come join us, we're ready to go. I want to be a teacher to help all children learn. I want to be Prime Minister, surely it's now my turn. I want to be an astronaut, feel zero gravity. I want to be a brilliant chef, so I can cook my tea. We're learning and building and shaping our future. Keep trying to learn something new every day. Our pencils are sharpened, a smile on our face. Come join us, we're ready to go. AKS is the best. We always try hard to pass the test. AKS is